Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. And in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to put your eBay store on vacation mode. So putting the vacation mode is very necessary for sellers, for buyers as well, because buyers will know that when they are buying that item from you, they will not expect that 15 days of shipping that is shown on your account. Since you are off, you are on vacation, of course you will not be shipping anything during this time because you are on vacation, you're not working. So you're not even checking your eBay accounts at some points. So for that reason, there will be a lot of buyers that are refunding from you, and you might lose your credibility on eBay. That is why instead of shutting down your store, you're simply going to put close sign, or basically vacation mode. To do that, there is a simple way, which is going to my eBay right through here, clicking on account, and from this area, normally on selling, you will find time away. So here, as you can see, we'll have to click on sell dashboard or either sell account. For me, I don't have access to both of them. That's for a reason, which is basically my account, or basically my country doesn't really allow me to. But in general, this is how the page should be looking like. So this is my eBay, click account, selling, time away guys, as you can see, and here schedule time away. Choose the time where you are willing to post item sales while you are on time away, start date and end date of your vacation, and once everything is correct, click on apply. Once you're done, you simply have to close the page, and just like that, when this date arrives, it will turn off your or turn on the vacation mode directly on your website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.